Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new update on Celestia. I covered it yesterday. Before that, I hadn't covered it for quite some time, but I need to cover it again today because it's quite interesting. Yesterday, what we said is that Celestia was probably going to test our main support levels, which arguably are either 14 or 14.5 right here, maybe even 15, because that's quite a strong psychological level. That's a bit unclear to me. I mean, you can see that there's basically like a respected key level here between $14 and $13. Then we spiked up a lot to 14.5, and then $15 is a psychological resistance level, right? So that creates a bit of confusion, at least for me. But in the end, what we can say is that Celestia has been one of the strongest performers in the market in the last months, or like month maybe. Yeah, well, almost 2 months. Wow, it's so long ago already. But no, it has been one of the strongest performers. It's a great crypto. I mean, right now, I'm not even sure what the market cap is getting close to, but it's getting pretty high. Market cap of $2.2 billion. That's pretty ridiculous. Maybe a bit too high, even. Not sure. But no, it has been bullish. And right now, you can still see it. I mean, the open interest yesterday went up quite a bit. Has since dropped down and normalized, but it's still bullish, all right? It's still relatively high compared to the last week, for example. It's higher than average, all right? So the big question is will Celestia still break out? Because the market structure right now is still technically a consolidation, right? Right now, technically, we're still in this range between $11 and let's say 14.5 then. So can we actually break out? It's a difficult question because, like I said, the open interest right now, so the momentum was great yesterday. Yesterday it was great. I mean, if it was still at those levels, I would say we're going to break out. But it has dropped down quite a bit. It has dropped down quite a bit, and I wanted to say something else, but I forgot it. No, it has dropped down quite a bit, so that's why it's less likely. And 15 and 14.5 is not nothing. It's a strong resistance level. But then, like I said, Celestia has been one of the strongest cryptos in the last 2 months. And then apart from that, for the first time in a very long time, we actually were able to break above this minor level here at 13.8. Historically, that we never found support there. Historically, that level was never able to keep up the price. And now it has been. So that's a bullish confirmation. So honestly, look, today what's going to happen. So I'm making this video a bit too early actually. But today what's going to happen is that Celestia will test that level between $14.5 and $15 again. And then we'll see. If from there we drop back down and we drop down below 13.8, all right, 13.8 is the magic level. If we drop down below that, from that level, from 14.5 and 15, then it's confirmed that we'll probably stay in this consolidation. All right, so then we'll just keep moving sideways. But there is a realistic chance, even though the momentum is lower, that Celestia will just break above $15. And if it's able to break above 15 and 14.5 and it holds support there, then we'll just rally up to 17.5. That's just, technically, that's then most likely. And that would also be in line with this whole market structure that Celestia has been forming. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I mean, I cannot tell you which one is most likely. If I just look at the numbers right now, what I would tell you is that it's most likely that we'll have a drop down to the bottom of the range. That's what the technicals say. But Celestia has proven the technicals wrong quite often. So that's why it's difficult for me to say. But now at least you know what to look at. Those are my full thoughts right now on Celestia. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you want signals potentially on Celestia as well. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.